We get with it. What's happening, y'all, man? Quick little video, you know what I'm saying? I just caught the shoe I've been waiting on for so long, you feel me? And I'm glad they came out when they did, because if they came out, you know what I'm saying, at a certain period of time, I probably wouldn't have been able to get them. Like when I was in college, it would have been over with, you know what I'm saying? But we're broke as spare, you feel me? But hey, we got on that, you know what I'm saying? We a couple years removed from school, so we get into this chicken, you feel me? The entrepreneur way. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Hey. But I'm so excited that I got these, bro. If y'all don't know, y'all know what these is. I think y'all know what these is. Hold on. Before I get to talking too much. Hold on. Jordan's well, everything, you feel me? So now I can go and get to talking. So man, I've been waiting on these things to drop for so long, man. My first time seeing them, I had to be in like, I don't really know, maybe middle school or something like that, man. When folks had these junk, and I'm gonna just keep it 100. My pops wasn't buying no, what they were, like 150, 160. I don't know what Jordans was back then, whatever they were. But nah, had 4 of us. That's a wrap. But I did stay laced. Don't play with it now. Pops kept me straight. You know what I'm saying? Mom did too. You know what I'm saying? My pops just knew more than mom. So, you know, sometimes we'll go to the little Nike clearance and then I go pick my own shoes out with my mama. But pops always kept me right. But yeah, man, I remember seeing these things like, bruh, them joints so hard. But everybody had them, and that's one of the things that kind of deterred me from just diving in, be like, hey, I want Jordans, I want Jordans. Even when I got a job for real, when I was 16, I wasn't spending my check on Jordans. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't doing that. I had priorities. You know what I'm saying? Even at a young age like that, you know, I paid for my own stuff. I paid for my school clothes, my shoes, and everything. So I wasn't finna drop a whole doggone, what, 4-5 days of work on a pair of shoes. Cause you know, minimum wage back then, what I was getting paid, like it was $7.50 or something like that an hour. And then, you know, they still taxing on that little check. You feel me? So, nah, that's not happening, man. That's not happening. This is a different review for y'all who, you know what I'm saying, may have never been here before. But anyway, man, I'm going to talk about you. Y'all done seen these, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm not finna go over them like, hey, this is the different, that panel right here. I'm not finna do all that. I'm going to tell y'all my experience with these and Jordans, period. So, yeah, man, I had been wanting them and all that kind of stuff, just giving you a little backstory on my experience with Jordans and stuff like that. But now I am a little bit older and we making a decent amount more than $7.50 an hour. You know what I'm saying? So I can splurge a little bit from time to time when I feel like it's worth it, like it's necessary. But one thing I do like about these, they are exactly how I remember them. Like the grain of leather they use is exactly how I remember these being. The same, the red is like the exact same and all that kind of stuff. Cause one time I actually had to restore a pair of these for my boy Matt. It was some years back when I basically first started doing customs and stuff like that. I restored his 12s. If y'all scroll all the way down to the bottom of my page on Instagram, you will see these. It's like years ago. That's when I first started doing customs and stuff like that. And I did pretty decent on restoring them and everything. I actually got a pair of these, like an old pair myself, but they was too big, so I ain't really feel like restoring them. But I got these now, so I don't know. Maybe I might do something to those, or I might not. But yeah, man, that's the thing that I really like about these. The leather is a lot softer. It's softer than, what's the last 12 I caught? What's they rolled? I don't know what they call. The jumps with the little gold. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, so I'm talking about these jumps right here. The almost taxis. I had to get these because my favorite 12 is the Texas. After that, it'll probably be the Cherries and then the Fluke Games. But I had to get these because I was like, man, I've been waiting on the Texas for so long. That's one shoe that I had multiple pairs of. I actually had them in college, but I was on like Offer Up and what's the other junk that was going on right then? Like Let Go. That's what it was, Let Go. And I got some deals on them junks and I restored them. And then shoot, I wound up with like 3 different pairs on. I just love that shoe. I might throw a clip up of me in Mexico in them junks. I ended up hooping in one of the pairs in Mexico. And I might pop a clip up of that. But yeah, so I got these. But this leather is a lot stiffer, I say. And I done wore these a few times. You know what I'm saying? I done wore them at least like 10 times. And I mean, it ain't like it's a terrible leather or nothing like that. It just, the material just stiff. It don't, like, if you press down on it, it really ain't going down. You know what I'm saying? But with this, like y'all can see, all right, boom. So check this out. That junk really ain't going nowhere. But so I think these gonna be a lot more like comfortable and not have that little break-in period or whatever. You know how them junks do. But anyway, man, I'm excited I got these. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm excited that I do have these now. I really enjoy 12s. And then I feel like 12s, even though you can rock them in the summer for sure, and I have, and I will continue to do it, but I really feel like they real good for the fall. It's kind of bootish to me. You know what I'm saying? Even down to like the little, what do you call? Magnets? I don't know what they call the little plastic things, but even down to that, it's kind of like a boot. That you kind of see that kind of stuff on boots or whatever. So they keep your feet warm. Just to be real, I like wearing 12s when it's a little nip outside, jogging suit type of deal. Of course, we could throw a little, you know what I'm saying, little fit with them and everything, but I like running around because 12s are very comfortable to me. I say the most comfortable Jordans are 13s. I think everybody know that, but somebody might disagree, but it doesn't matter. In my opinion, it's the 13. 12s are close. I won't say a close second, but I think they're around like that 2 to 3. I gotta think of what else might be as comfortable. 11s are kind of comfortable to me, except for like the little pattern to be rubbing on the little pinky toe sometimes. But anyway, man, I'm just rambling and just talking to y'all because, you know, I miss my peoples. You feel me? But I'm glad I got to get these. I hit with Finish Line in-store raffle, actually. You know what I'm saying? The place, the mall up the street from me, you can still go in there and like fill out the raffle, buy pen and stuff like that. So that is very cool to me. And I had a couple shoes at 9 then when I'm in there. You know, they kind of know me in there, guys. So yeah, man. But like I said, I'm glad I got them. If y'all want me to do like a little outfit or something like that, or what I would rock with these, y'all let me know. I might put something together to y'all. And actually, I ain't gonna say it because I don't want nobody to steal the idea. I'm waiting on my brother to get back here so we can film some stuff, and I got an idea for this. We're gonna be mixing this with like little fashion stuff, so hopefully I can get that done soon. But anyway, man, y'all know who it is. Been your boy, you know what I'm saying? Like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you feel me? But I'm gonna get up out of here, man. See y'all next time.